Hi there. For today's Ninja Art Tip, it's another really simple one, and it's about in your learning journey with drawing and painting. Um, is the very first thing that you should master is tone. So that's why I recommend that you get into drawing first and just use simple pencil sketches to get your eyes and your mind, your get your modern mind out of the way and get into Zen mind, where you can see what's truly there in front of you, right here, right now, in this moment, so that you stop using modern mind memories to muck up your drawings. So it's really, really important to get tone right first. Tone is also called value by a lot of artists. Tone is the dark and the light in the paintings. You can see behind me there's a couple of Eastern watercolours there and the cat behind me. These paintings have hardly any colour at all, and they still work because the tones in the paintings are right, they're working. So it's really important in your art journey to make sure that you learn how to draw well first, get tones right first. So in my book, Zen and the Art of Art Foundations, the first book in the series, this is the where we talk about shape, tone, and colour, and which is the most important. So I thoroughly recommend that you get down and dirty with graphite pencil on white paper. Just really simple, a simple idea, but it really trains your brain to get the shapes and the tones right first before you start getting confused with colour. So in the Academy of the Old Masters, where the students were learning from the old masters, they had to spend a long time using just black and white or graphite or just tone and value in their drawings before they were allowed to go on and start using colour. Sometimes it would be for years until they'd thoroughly mastered shape and tone before they went on to colour. So that's my tip for you in your learning journey. If you take it or leave it, is to get your drawings right first. Get your tone and learn how to become a really good drawer before you start painting. So in our courses, we start off with learn to draw classes, and then we shift on to pastel, which is just adding a little bit of colour in using similar mediums as what we did in the drawing class. So we take it little bit by little bit, but definitely start off with drawing, getting your tones and your shapes right before you start confusing yourself with colour. So as always, please join us over, upside down. Please join us over in the dojo for more tips and tricks, free tips and tricks. And please like, share, and comment below if you agree or disagree on this idea, and or what you've experienced in your own art journey. Share with us and let us know. And hope to see you again for the next tip. Thanks for watching.